Hi, Mike. Today we're going to learn the acoustic guitar part to Four Non Blondes song, to the Four Non Blondes song, What's Up? It was a very, very popular song in the day, and it still kind of is. My band plays it, and we have people jump out of the audience and try to take the microphone from the singer to sing along to it. And it happens with country crowds and rock and roll crowds. It doesn't matter. People just really, really remember that song and like it. So the legend goes, as Four Non Blondes was in the studio making their first record that was very popular at the time, and the singer, this woman, her name is Linda Perry. She just was aggravated with the producers trying to make it sound like, I don't know, way too produced or something. So she got the band together and they took their own money. They went down the street somewhere else, used their own money, and made this version of the song the way they wanted it. Took it back, they put it on that first record they made, and that was the version of that song that went viral and went all over the world, made them famous. Just, as soon as people heard it, they loved it and they turned it up. It was a great song. Still is a great song. So anyway, I'll show you the chords here, the basic chords for the rhythm, and they're not really complicated chords. The strumming takes a little getting used to for a beginner, so it's a good song to learn how to strum. Okay, so the chords are this. You're going to play an A chord. The very first chord is an A chord. So you're going to take your second finger, put it on the second fret of the D string, and then you're going to take your third finger and put it on the second fret of the G string, and then your pinky you're going to put on the B string down here. Okay, and you want all those strings that ring really nice. Okay, and from there you're going to go to this B minor chord. It's a bar on the second fret. Your second finger is going to go on the third fret of the B string. Your pinky is going to go down here on the fourth fret of the G string, and then your third finger, your ring finger, is going to go on the D string on the fourth fret. That is the next chord. That is a B minor. And then from there, you're going to go to the D chord. And the D chord is, your first finger is going to go on the second fret of the G string. Okay, your third finger, your ring finger, is going to go down here on the third fret on the B string. And then your second finger is going to go right here on the second fret on the E string. Okay, and from there you're going to go back to that A chord from the beginning. So it's starts over again, so you play the A chord twice. She plays this on an acoustic guitar, and all the strings ring really loudly, so she plays it plays it really with a lot of exuberance and makes all the strings ring, gives it lots of sound. It sounds really nice. Okay, so maybe the tricky part for a beginner on this song is the strumming pattern. If you count to yourself, it's not that difficult. You're going to go down, one, down, up, down, up, down, and then you're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 6. it's not that hard. It's just you just got to get into to the swing of it. That's about all there is to the rhythm on it. Goes on for 5 minutes. It's almost a 5-minute song. It's a pretty nice song, very recognizable to a lot of people. I think it's a great beginner song. It's great for strumming. And when you're strumming, think of your arm as a paintbrush, okay? Nice flow to your picking on there. So it's a great song. It's not so much for the chords, but the chords are even good beginners chords to learn, but I think it's a great song to learn how to pick to. It's just a good song to pick to, and it's a nice song. People like it too. So anyway, if you have any other ideas or suggestions for songs you would like to hear, leave it in the comments, and subscribe to my channel, and hit a thumbs up and like us if you would. Thank you. Have a good day.